Changing your primary email on MeetFranz is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Open MeetFranz. Launch the MeetFranz application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Locate the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon or found under your profile name. Click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to email settings. Within the account settings, look for the section labeled Email or Account Information. Click on this section to view your current email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the settings page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is set as primary. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on MeetFranz will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section or contacting support for assistance.